As we delve into the culinary adventure, we encounter a truly unique creamy tahini salad. This salad, when paired with shawarma, creates a delightful harmony on your plate. The video not only showcases the dish but also guides you through the art of crafting a dressing that elevates the shawarma to new heights. Now, let's talk about the ingredients that form the backbone of our chicken shawarma. They are simple yet accessible, featuring tender chicken breasts and an enticing array of spices. You might even consider adding a personal touch with optional sauces like ketchup or tomato paste, which can enhance the overall flavor. Moving on to the preparation method, the key begins with slicing the chicken breasts into manageable pieces. These slices are then marinated in a delightful blend of spices and sauces, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully and ensuring a rich experience with every bite. Next up, the preparation of a starch mixture steps into the spotlight. This involves dissolving starch in water, followed by gentle heating to create a jelly-like consistency. This seemingly simple step holds significant importance, as it plays a vital role in achieving the desired texture of the dish. As we progress, a creamy sauce comes into play, meticulously crafted from garlic, yogurt, and vinegar. This delightful mixture allows for a spectrum of flavors, enabling you to tailor it according to your own taste preferences and whims. In a refreshing twist, we explore the preparation of our tahini salad. Raw tahini, vinegar, lemon juice, and garlic come together in a symphony of flavors. This salad not only complements the shawarma but also offers a vibrant crunch that invigorates the meal. An essential step in preparing tahini involves careful mixing with hot water and a medley of spices, significantly enhancing its flavor profile. Achieving the right consistency here is crucial, which will serve as the heart of our luscious tahini salad. Meanwhile, the video emphasizes the importance of side dishes that accompany the shawarma, highlighting fresh salads and tangy pickles that elevate the entire dining experience. Pickled cucumbers and sprigs of parsley are not just decorative, they are essential elements that contribute to a complete and satisfying meal. As we transition to the cooking process, the shawarma requires a fierce heat that captures the juices within the meat. This technique ensures that each bite remains moist and bursting with flavor, while the strategic decision to resist flipping the meat immediately is key in achieving a pleasing texture. In addition, the luxurious addition of ghee enhances the flavor profile of our sandwich, contributing a rich sweetness that perfectly complements the savory meat. This technique adds an element of richness that takes the dish to another level. Employing hot charcoal paired with aluminum foil is where tradition meets innovation. This technique creates a smoky flavor reminiscent of traditional grilling, adding an extra layer of depth to the overall taste of the shawarma. Finally, the thoughtful incorporation of fresh ingredients like cucumbers, parsley, and tahini serves to elevate the flavor profile of your sandwich, creating a well-rounded and authentic meal. These toppings are not mere garnishes, they are essential to crafting an experience that honors the true essence of shawarma.